Hello everyone, my name is Ryan. I am from class 10-1, episode number 29, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple clinometer. And these are the tools you will need.
A scissor, some tape, a button, a straw, some string, and an arc ruler.
And if you have these at the ready, let me show you how to make them.
The first thing you want to do is take your string and tie it on the straw. Make sure it is secure. After that, stick the straw onto the arc ruler with some tape and make sure the string is on the middle of the arc ruler. Once the straw is stuck onto the arc ruler, we can tie the button onto the end of the string.
And that's how you make a simple homemade clinometer. That's it for me. See you next time.